fuck something else. Need a fucking something. I need something in my cup. Hey, I need to fuck something else.
We are headed to the bar. Hey guys, okay, we are at the Spice Buffet. We just checked in, so good so far. Everything has been okay, but right now they're really trying to sell. It's like I just want to enjoy the vacay, relax and decompress. I'm waiting for him to come back. I'm watching stuff. I'm the fat girl at the club, watching the table and everybody's stuff right now. So he's gonna get his food, then I'll come back and let you guys know how the buffet food is here. Talk to you later.
This one I better do I know get time.
What's up, everybody? It is day 2 in PDC, the place to be. I'ma stop rapping for y'all because they might snatch me up and give me a contract. Then I'll be going off YouTube for y'all. So also, I did not get back with y'all to let you know how the food was. The food has been 10 out of 10. Everything's good so far. So but I'll keep you posted as we go along. All right, stay tuned. Bye.
În cazul de la, nu biberul se mete.
What's up, guys? It is day 3 here in Playa del Carmen, and today we are going to walk in the city, see what Playa del Carmen has to offer when we go walking towards 5th Avenue. And I'll keep you guys posted. All right.
Right, guys, now let me show you. Okay, first, I'm not the waiter, okay? My name is the Mexican Nicolas Cage. Pleased to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Want to promote our shop?
Relaxing, going hydrotherapy today. We have a steam room, a sauna, the hot and cold pools, which is what I'm in now, the hot.
fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you do what you want.
Hey guys, it's our last day here, so we decided to indulge in the presidential suite. Here's a brief tour. Here's the bar area. It included the same as, you know, your standard rooms in an all-inclusive suite. And but yeah, we are located on the quiet side of the resort, and the presidential suite on this side, I think they're a bit bigger. You can see Cozumel as well from our balcony. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Had a wraparound balcony. Let me take you back inside, take a tour of the bedroom. So this suite, if you're entertaining, let's say you have a group of friends and you want to invite them over, this is ideal for you. Of course, the same standard jacuzzi. The shower is so much bigger than the standard rooms. All of that, the storage and everything is still basic, the same. Double vanity toilet area as well. And now I'm going to take you upstairs. Yes, there is an upstairs in here. You see the swivel staircase. You do have to be careful. So we're gonna go upstairs so you can get a view of what's in store. And here we are. We have the patio area or a sitting area upstairs, and there's also a private heated pool. Yes, that's right, it is heated. And there's a wet bar for entertaining outside. Again, like I said, it's great for entertaining. It has a bathroom outside as well. Look at this. And also you get a one-night dinner at the Chef's Table. The restaurant is an elevated dining experience on the resort. So that
Said you'll be different for me. Now you say